Hey guys, Candace Nicole here, and this is going to be a video to demonstrate and show you how I made my clip-ins. So they're going to take you from this to this. So basically I'm just going to show you in this video what I use to make my clip-ins and how I use them, so just keep watching. Okay, so you just saw how I make my clip-ins by sewing the wig clips to the tracks. I double up the tracks to make the clips a little full. Some of my tracks aren't doubled up because those are the ones I'm going to place around the top so that they could lay a little flatter. So now I'm going to just show you how I install my clips. So you unsnap around the back, snap it closed, boom, simple. Okay, so now that all the clips are installed, you just got to make sure that they're as secure as they're gonna be. And I combed all my hair to the back so that I could change my part around a little bit. So you do kind of have to be careful when you're combing your hair, because these clips are like, they're not yours. Okay, so I gotta get this under control. That's the only thing about clips, is that you really gotta be blending. You cannot not be blending. So now that they're all installed, I'm gonna curl my hair and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I'm done curling. Okay, so this is like the final product. After I've curled it, I'm kind of blending a little better now. So yeah, the only issue that I have with clip-ins is that you really got to make sure that you're blending. And I'm so accustomed to wearing full weaves or wigs that I don't have time to be trying to make sure that my hair in the front is straight and all of that. So if you're interested in wearing clip-ins, make sure that your hair is trained, pressed, relaxed, whatever your tea is, and make sure that you're blending. Don't walk out the house looking crazy. Yeah, so this is all of it. And for the most part, I'm blending. I did a lot of like curled hairspray, edge control, beeswax, all types of situations to get even to this. And my hair is not trained to be pressed, so I kind of have to get back into the rhythm of doing that to even be able to rock these clip-ins. But I like the easiness and the accessibility of them, and so that's why I decided to go forth with them. My thing is, don't sleep in them. I've been told not to sleep in them because clip-ins do or tend to have a track record of pulling your hair out. So you have to really be cautious when wearing these things. Don't get into no fight. Get your clip-ins yanked because that might take out your own hair too. Yeah, so that's it. This hair is IAmMingLee that I've just dyed, lightened to this like blondie color. But yeah, so that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video.